First question, 8085A microprocessor operated at a clock frequency of 3 MHz. So here the answer is B, 3 MHz. Second question, why 8085 is a 8-bit microprocessor? And this microprocessor said to be 8-bit or 16-bit based on the size of data bus. So 8085 has 8-bit data bus, so it's said to be 8-bit microprocessor. So here the answer is A. Third question, in 8085 microprocessor, the program status word, that is PSW. PSW contain accumulator and a flag register. This PSW contain accumulator and flag register. So here the answer is C. And fourth question, 8085 microprocessor contain 8-bit data line and 16-bit address line. So 16 address line and 8 data lines. So here the answer is B. Fifth question, the 8085 output and address latch enable signal, that is ALE. ALE signal which indicate the presence of, and it uses multiplexed line to indicate address and data. So the enable of this ALE represent the 0 to 7, that pins are the pin used for address. So we can multiplex the 0 to 7 pins are multiplexed with the data and address also. If you enable this ALE, it indicates this pins now for address. So here the answer is A, address on AD0 to AD7. Sixth question, memory space in 8-bit 8085 is 64 KB. That is 2 to the power 8, that is equal to 64 KB. Answer is D. Next question, which interrupt in 8085 microprocessor is a non-maskable interrupt? And trap is a non-maskable interrupt. So here the answer is C. Next question, INTR, RST 5.5, RST 6.5 OR, and these are level trigger interrupt. And these are level trigger interrupt, and trap is level and edge trigger interrupt. So these three are level trigger interrupt. So here the answer is B. Next question, two software instruction associated with the 8085 interrupt system, and software instruction associated with the 8085 interrupt systems are EI and DI, enable interrupt and disable interrupt, EI and DI. So here the answer is B. Next question, which interrupt of 8085 microprocessor has highest priority? And trap has highest priority, and INTR has lowest priority. So here highest priority is trap. And this 8085 has 5 hardware interrupt instruction, and the priority level from highest to high to low First one is trap, next RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5, and last one is INTR. So the lowest priority is INTR. So this is the highest priority level from high to low. Next question, how many pin configuration are there in 8085 microprocessor? That is 40 pin. So here the answer is C. And next question, in move R1, R2 instruction, how many machine cycles are required? And record only one machine cycle from move. The value from R2 to R1, it takes only one machine cycle. So the here answer is B. Next question, 8085 microprocessor, how many input output ports are there? And 256 input output ports are there in 8085 microprocessor. So here the answer is B. Next question, operation of STAB instruction in 8085 microprocessor, and this is the accumulator, the content of A is stored to B. So store this STA perform the operation, it store the value of accumulator to specific register here. So here B means the content of A is stored to B. So here the answer is C. And which of the following interrupt is only edge sensitive? And edge sensitive, RST 7.5 only edge sensitive, and trap is both level and edge sensitive, and RST 6.5, 5.5 are level sensitive. So here RST 7.5 only edge sensitive. So here the answer is A. Next question, the 8085 microprocessor has 5 number of hardware interrupt. So here the answer is C. RST 7.5, 6.5, 5.5, and trap and INTR. So totally it has 5 hardware interrupt. Next question, in an 8085 microprocessor system, the RST instruction will cause an interrupt only if the interrupt have been enabled by an EI instruction. Enable interrupt instruction. Only if interrupts have been enabled by an EI instruction, then only the RST instruction will cause an interrupt. So here the answer is C. Next question, which of the following interrupt has lowest priority? And INTR is the lowest priority interrupt. So here the answer is D. Next question, if interrupt service requests have been received from all of the following interrupts, then which one will be served first? That means the priority of this interrupt, and we know the high to low priority of this interrupt, and RST 7.5 has high priority. Consider this for RST 7.5 has highest priority. So here the answer is C. Next question, in 8085 microprocessor will enter into INA cycle after the recognition of INTR only. After receiving this INTR, it will enter into INA cycle. So here the answer is C. Next question, the interrupt vector address for trap is, and for trap that is 24H 0024H. So here the answer is B. And I write the vector address for other interrupts also. For trap this is 24H, and for RST 5.5 that is 2CH, and RST 6.5 is 34H, and RST 7.5 is 3CH. So this is a vector address for each interrupt. So here they are asking for trap that is 24H. So here the answer is B. So next question, in order to enable RST 5.5, RST 6.5 and RST 7.5 interrupt, which of the following instruction are needed? And EI and SIM only. So here the answer is C. To enable this interrupt, EI and SIM, these instructions are needed. So here the answer is C. Next question, the data lines of 8085 microprocessor are multiplexed with, and this data lines are multiplexed with the lower order address line, that is AD0 to AD7, multiplexed with lower order address line, and ALE is the signal, that is this is the instruction enable the lower order to address line. So here the answer is B, lower order address line. In 8085 microprocessor, which instruction are used for storing and retrieving the PSW content from stack? And here the answer is push and pop. And these are the instruction used to storing and retrieving the PSW content from stack. So here the answer is C. Next question, define the addressing mode for the following instruction in 8085 microprocessor: LDAXD, and this is indirect addressing, and this is indirect addressing. So here the answer is A. And next one, consider the instruction STX or P, how many machine cycles are required, and it requires 2 machine cycles to complete this instruction. So here the answer is A. And next question, which instruction is used for adjusting binary coded decimal digit process? And here the answer is DAA. And which instruction is used for adjusting binary coded decimal digit process? And DAA is the answer. So here the answer is B. Next question, which instruction is used to perform register pair addition? And the instruction used for register pair addition is DAD or P. So here the answer is A. RIM instruction operation is performed with serial input data, and RIM is performed with serial input data. So here the answer is A. And after the execution of SIM instruction, the accumulated content is 77H. Then SID data is activated to low. So here the answer is A, activated to low.